Welcome to the module on over-delivery for UGC creators. We're going to dive into why thought and intention matter more than sheer effort when building long-term brand relationships. Most creators view a one-off gig as a dead end, but the pros see it as an opening. The secret to repeat work lies in the subtle art of over-delivery. Let's reframe what over-delivery actually means. It's not about slaving away for free. Over-delivery isn't doing more work, it's showing more thought. If you focus only on volume, you risk sending a message that you prioritize effort over strategy. Many new creators are conditioned to think they need to overwhelm the brand with raw output. Most creators think they need to impress brands with effort. The best way to secure a retainer is by proving that you are a partner who cares deeply about the brand's success. Don't just send the deliverable. Include a bonus idea or a small note. But what builds trust is attention, noticing details. True over-delivery consists of small, human gestures that show you're thinking beyond the immediate brief. This could mean including raw footage for future brand use or a surprise photo pack they didn't ask for. Suggesting improvements, giving small, intentional value that proves you care about the outcome. Your goal is to shift their perception. You're not a cost, you're an asset that contributes to their bottom line. Always deliver your work in a highly organized, professional way that reduces friction for the brand's team. Not just the deliverable. When you focus on providing strategic value and clear organization, you move beyond the freelancer label, and that's what makes brands choose you again. Brands want reliable partners. By over-delivering with thought, you become the obvious choice for their next campaign. If you want to be remembered, not replaced, subscribe for more strategies on scaling your UGC career.